In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on x.com, formerly Twitter, step by step so you can get signed up quickly and start using the platform without any confusion. Whether you want to use X for news, networking, entertainment, or growing your own audience, setting up your account only takes a few minutes when you know exactly what to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the official website, x.com. Make sure you are on the real X website before you continue so you can sign up safely and avoid any fake pages. Once the site loads, you'll see the option to create your account. X will usually give you a few ways to continue, including using your phone number, your Google account, or your Apple ID. Choose the sign-up method that is easiest for you. If you want a quicker sign-in experience later, using Google or Apple can be a simple option, but phone registration also works if that is what you prefer. After selecting your sign-in method, the next step is to enter your date of birth. This is required so X can confirm your age and complete the account setup process. Be sure to enter the correct information here, then move on to the next step. Now X will ask you to customize your experience. You'll see a few boxes or preference options on the screen, and you can check the ones that match what you want. This part helps X personalize what you see on the platform. Once you've selected the options you want, click Next to continue. After that, you'll be asked to create your username. This is the name people will use to find or mention you on X, so choose something simple, memorable, and relevant to you or your brand. Type in your username and then click Next. If your first choice is already taken, X may suggest alternatives, so pick the one that works best. From here, you'll go through a few on-screen steps that help finalize your account. X may ask about your interests, topics you'd like to follow, or other setup preferences. Go through these screens one by one and select the options that fit your interests. This helps X build your feed and show you more relevant content right away. Depending on the method you use to sign up, you may also need to confirm your email or phone number, and if that happens, just follow the verification instructions on screen. After that, your account setup should be complete. And that's it. You now have an X account created and ready to use. From here, you can start following accounts, posting your first updates, and exploring the platform. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.